Hey guys, my name is Brandon Lane, and on today's episode of Let's Get Physical with the Physical Web, I'm going to show you how the physical web can work inside of the retail environment. So this is going to allow us to engage consumers on their mobile phones without us having to build an app and without them needing to download each individual business's app. So let me show you what it looks like. Alright, so for today's episode, we are in the retail environment. So right now, this is serving as our end cap. So typically we're going to see a lot more products here. I just have this one box, but we're going to see all these boxes here. It's going to be all the same products because it's at the end of the aisle. Maybe you'd see a price sign up there, and then maybe you'd see a price tag right down there. So I went ahead and I put the physical web sticker right there. That's just telling people that this is broadcasting a physical web URL, and later in the video I will show you where that signal is actually coming from. So this works just like any other physical web object. Go ahead and pull out your phone. We're going to go and bring up the physical web app. And right there you can see we are broadcasting the product information. So we go ahead and click on that. Now this brought up the information for the product. So different pictures, product reviews. You can see what other people are saying it, the manual. So it just has everything you might want to know about this exact product. So no need to search, no need to go find it, look up the product number, anything like that. It brought us right to the correct web page. But I noticed it was broadcasting another signal. So we'll go ahead and search again. So we can see there's our product. Now we have another URL that popped up, and that says Comfort Zone Heater Coupon. So we'll go ahead and click that and see what comes up. There, now it shows that we have a coupon for 10% off. And we can just add it directly to our mobile wallet. So I'll go ahead and do that. Brings me back out. I go ahead and check my wallet. Oh, there it is. So now I can get 10% off that product right there. All I had to do was walk up, check the URLs, I saw the product information, decided I want the product. They were also broadcasting with a separate beacon a coupon for it that goes right in my mobile wallet. I didn't have to do anything, I didn't have to scan anything, just clicked add. Couldn't be more easy, and that might get me to buy that product. Okay, so right there, I showed you what the consumer would experience if they walked up to the end cap, used the physical web to get product information, and then download a mobile coupon without having to scan anything. It gets put directly right in their mobile wallet. While I was doing that, I mentioned that both of those URLs were being broadcasted by two separate beacons. And so I had two beacons plugged in right here. This went right into my wall. So I plugged this into an outlet. A store would do the same. Could also have it plugged into a battery. So I had two separate beacons, one broadcasting the coupon, one broadcasting the product information. And then that's how they both show up within my physical web browser. Now I want to take a second to address a couple of the comments from last episode. People asked, what does it look like in Google Chrome? And then what does it look like on Android? And then is there any notifications? And so I'll go ahead and show you that right now. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what it looks like in Google Chrome on the iPhone. Now, the Google Chrome is only available on iOS. They don't have this for Google Chrome on Android. But so how it works is you scroll down the notification menu up here. You go to your Today tab. Now you have to enable this. So you just go through and you just click Show Google Chrome. And then that's how it shows up right there. So those are the two broadcasts that we were looking at earlier within the physical web app. Here they are within Google Chrome. So yes, it's easy to access. The reason I don't use it a lot, and I don't really like it, is because it does not show descriptions. So it's good for quick access to the physical web, but in reality, if you're walking through a store, you're going to want to see descriptions of what you're about to click on. So that is why I personally think a physical web browser will, be relevant in the future and be what people use in order to use the physical web. So now for Android, the physical web app works the same way on Android. So you have it, and it looks the same thing. Same links, same thing if we download it, path still goes in.
to my mobile wallet on Android. The thing is with Android is instead of having Google Chrome, you have that. So you can scroll down, and that's built in that physical web app. So you still have a quick way to access it, and you can see there is a little description there. But you can still access it just from scrolling down like this. So there is actually a quicker way on Android to view physical web URLs than there is on iOS. About the same thing. I do like this a little bit better in terms of quickness. Physical web app is the same. So that's Google Chrome. That's Android. There you go.
So today I showed you how the physical web works inside the retail environment, how to get a mobile coupon from it, display product information, how it can really help out the retail environment and without the need for an app. That's really the big deal there, is the customer doesn't have to download an app and the business doesn't need to build one. They can just broadcast simple URLs that are most likely already up and running on their web page. Also showed you how to do it in iOS and Android, just kind of how it looks in both of those systems. If you have any other questions or comments, don't be afraid to shoot them out. I'll answer them either in the next video or right then and there in the comment box. So my name is Brandon Lane, and let's get physical with the physical web.